visiting Rome, it's probably impossible not to dedicate some time to Vatican City. Vatican City is the smallest country in the world, both by area and population. It covers just over 44 hectares and has a population of around 800 people, making it smaller than many universities. Like most countries, Vatican City does not have permanent residents. Its population consists mainly of clergy, Swiss guards, and a few other staff members who live within its walls temporarily. And our last major stop is the Vatican City. It's called a city, but it's actually the smallest country in the world. They even have their own post, if you can see it over there. They also have their football team, which is kind of cool. We primarily came to see the Sistine Chapel and the Vatican Museum. You can also go inside St. Peter's Church, and if you want to go on top of the dome, you have to pay extra, I think, but the entry, Italian sun, but the entry itself is free of charge. The Sistine Chapel and the Vatican Museum are, of course, with paid entry. You should ideally book everything in advance and book a time slot. Well, spoiler alert, you won't see the Vatican Museum and the Sistine Chapel in this video because we kinda mixed up the dates.
А яке сьогодні число? Яке сьогодні число?
19.
А в нас поки не 18.
Imagine you came to Vatican City and you see this amazing screen and this antique architecture. It's just such a dissonance. I don't know. I'm not sure. Anyway, our trip to Vatican City wasn't completely wasted as we managed to visit St. Peter's Basilica, the largest church in the world. The total area covered by St. Peter's Basilica is around 15,000 square meters, so roughly 3 to 4 football fields could fit inside it. The iconic dome was designed by Michelangelo and completed by Giacomo della Porta. On the next day, I decided to try my luck again and maybe get into the Vatican Museum anyway. Well, I couldn't because of the enormous crowd, but I witnessed something interesting again. So most Wednesday mornings, the Pope Francis gives a general audience. All pilgrims who are in Rome or would like an opportunity to see and pray with the Holy Father are welcome to participate. The audiences are normally held in St. Peter's Square and are free of charge.
senza consultazione. Riescono quelle suggerite da molti consiglieri. Il timore di Dio è scuola di sapienza.
Perché io ancora non posso. Grazie. Pietro il Grignano di Prato, i podisti di Boves.
Quotidianum da nobis hodie, et dimitte nobis debita nostra.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.